Do you see that? One rain. Out in the middle of nowhere. One rain. Isn't that amazing? One rain. Look at that. One rain. And in fact, I missed an entire day. I only opened these on Friday afternoon. Look at that. One rain. Isn't that amazing? I came out on Friday afternoon thinking, oh my gosh, missing out an entire day of rain. That means a whole week's worth of watering. Look at this. Look. Look. It's full. We put these out on what, Wednesday? Look at that. It's full. Look at this. This one had the wood laid close. Look at that. It's full. Isn't that amazing?